Namaste students, this is JBN Brijesh Kumar Yadav, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class. Students, I have prepared this lecture for BSc BEd JTC first semester. Subject name is Diversity of Microbes and today's topic is of Puccinia. Students, as you all know, since last few days we are discussing fungi. Okay, in this context, we have finished some of the general character of fungi, some of the classes along with their representative genus. Okay, today's topic is Puccinia. We have already discussed general character of basidiomycetes, and along with that we have seen agaricus. So today let's start. Puccinia is a rust. Okay. Now before going to study Puccinia, it is better to study something about rust fungi. These are the obligate parasite. Students, obligate parasite is highlighted. Generally, these requires two hosts to complete their life cycle. That is why they are called as heterocyclic life cycle. Means two different hosts they need to fulfill to complete their life cycle. So in this way, rust is heterocyclic. Primary host, the host on which basidia and basidiospores are produced, and second is alternative host, another host in the life cycle on which spermagonia and ascia are produced. Alternative host, that a pathogen can infect in place of the primary or alternate host. It is also known as heteroecious when organisms with a primary and alternate host, whereas another group is autoecious when organisms that have only one a single host. Okay, macrocyclic example is rust, which is long rust cycle, produce all four types of spores, which we will see in the case of Puccinia. Demicyclic rust, when mycelium produce few spores, that is Euredia, it has medium cycle rust. Macrocyclic rust, short cycle rust, produce basidiospores, teletospores and spermacia. Now the actual topic is Puccinia. The genus includes about 3000 species. Of these, 147 has been reported from the India. Okay, out of this much of species, 147 species are reported from the India. It causes a rust disease that is also known as black rust or black stem rust of wheat. Puccinia graminis is an obligate parasite, as we have already seen in previous slide. It is heteroecious, means having two hosts to complete their life cycle. It completes its life cycle on wheat and on barberry. So wheat is the primary host, whereas barberry is the secondary host or alternative host. We have seen already rust, the stem rust of wheat caused by Puccinia graminis. It reduces yields and quality of grain. Fungus causes lesions or pustules on weak stems. Those students who are staying in villages or who has exposure of villages, they might have seen, they have observed these symptoms on wheat. There is a lesions and pustules, blackish colored shoots are there on the pod. I'll show you in symptom. Management: remove alternate host, that is barberry, use resistant cultivar of wheat. These are the two main things to prevent this disease. Now, systematic position of Puccinia: kingdom Mycete, Mycota, that is division Mycota, subdivision is Basidiomycotina, class Teleomycetes are Uridinomycetes, order Uridinales, family Pucciniaceae, genus Puccinia. Species may vary, such as Graminis triticii, Puccinia graminis hordei, Puccinia graminis aveni, and Puccinia graminis sicales, depending on the host. So these species name has been given on the basis of host which it infects. Okay. Now Puccinia graminis form special triticii, the fungus causing black stem rust of wheat. It is macrocyclic and heteroecious rust, means those producing all five kinds of spores and moving between two different hosts, means it has large life cycle. That's why it is known as macrocyclic. Why? Because in its life cycle there are five different spores formed, and heteroecious means having two different hosts. In the absence of primary host, it can survive on alternate host, that is barberry in case of Puccinia. Students, these are the five spores which are found in the life cycle of Puccinia. First one is pycnidial or spermogonial stage, that is Spermacia, pycniospores, that is platylevel N. Next one is acial or acidial stage, aciospores, platylevel is 2N. Next one is uridinal stage, uridinospores, platylevel is 2N. Next one is teleal stage, teleospore or teletospore, that is 2N. And last one is basidial stage, that is basidiospores, which is of haploid N. Students, out of these five, first two stages 0 and 1 on barberry buses, barberry vulgaris, that is dicot plant, and next two stages of uridial and teleal are found on grasses, monocot, that is on wheat, and next basidiospore stage found on the soil. So students, these are the five different spores which are found in the life cycle of macrocyclic fungus, that is Puccinia. Now, this is the symptom which appeared on the infected plants. We can see pustules, blackish red structures on the stem and leaves of the wheat. Then uridospores which are stalked unicellular oval binucleate structure which is rusty red in color. They are red in color. Now teletospores which are dark brown or black in color, they are stalked, two-celled, spindle shaped. The wall is thick, black and smooth. We can see teletospores are two-celled structure along with stalked. Now germination of teletospores, they germinate on soil or wheat straw. The favorable condition, proper temperature and moisture provide them the germination. Germination of teletospore forms germination tube which is epibasidium. Now stages of Puccinia on barberry leaf, as we have already discussed that two stages of the life cycle is on barberries. One is pycnidial stage on which found on the upper epidermis with positive and negative basidospores that undergo sexual reproduction, that is plasmogamy. Students, it may ask that sexual reproduction occur in which host? Then that is Barbary, where sexual reproduction of the Puccinia is taking place, happen. Next stage is acidiospores, which are found on the lower epidermis of the leaf. They are binucleate acidiospores. Now infection of Puccinia on barberry leaf, lower and upper sides. We can see the symptoms. There is degradation of cells, protuberance emerged, and green leaves have reddish spots. That is the presence of spores. So students, in this way we have seen different spores, life cycle stages, different hosts of Puccinia. Thank you very much.